Welcome to Mott Motorcycles, and today we have a really nice example of an MT-09. A 2022 model, done just over 5,000 miles and fitted with some quite desirable extras. It's in lovely condition throughout, really popular on the used market, these bikes. Let's have a little walk round, have a look at it. So starting at the front, you can see we've got a tinted screen fitted. Coming down, we have a radiator guard. See MT-09 written on it there. All the forks in great condition. Front mud guard, no chips, scratches or anything. Front tyre all good. Coming around the side, you see we've got the Yamaha rim stickers on there. The MT-09 ones. Disc and pads good, and brakes all clean and tidy. Little tiny bit of surface stuff on there. Pipe in great order, but we'll move on to that in a little bit. Got the mini LED indicators fitted. Coming around the side, the bodywork is unmarked as far as I can see. The MT-09 tank pads on the side. R&G bungs just on the bottom there of the frame. Coming down, still got the original sticker on, look. CP3 engine. No, I'm not going to go on about it on this time, but you know how good it is. Coming down the side. Again, rear swing arm. Acra exhaust on there in lovely condition. We do have the original exhaust as well, should that be to your liking. Rear wheel, all good. Can't see any scratches or marks. Stickers again on there. Down in the depths, all clean and tidy. Fitted with a tail tidy. Just to finish that back end off. LED indicators on the rear. Chain and sprocket, all good. Rear wheel. Again, clean, tidy, very presentable bike. Inside there, rear shock. Going down, quick shifter. And left hand side of the engine. Going back up to the tank. Again, really clean bike for this age. No marks, scratches, anything on the tank. Again, down on the left hand side, round to the front. And again, very clean. Coming up to the bar ends, no marks, mirrors all good. Controls all good, no signs of any wear on there. And again, on this side here. And a quick look. And there you can see 5,354 miles. Have a look at those little indicators on the front. They are very bright, as you can see. Look at those. Very good. Okay, let's start her up for you. As you can hear, it's quite a deep sound, if you can hear me. There we have it. I think, if I'm not mistaken, yes, that is with the baffle out. I did think it was a bit loud. We do have the baffle to go in there as well. There we go. Really clean, tidy MT-09. Give us a call, drop us a line, be happy to look after you. Thanks very much.